Good morning, children. I hope you all are fine. Okay. Welcome to EVS online classes. Already we are in lesson number 7, the food we eat. Right? Shall we continue the lesson? Okay. Before we start our class, let me ask some questions. I hope you will answer it. Okay. How will you eat rice? Yes, after cooking. Right? How will you eat an apple? Yes, without cooking. Good. So some foods we should cook before eating, and some foods we can eat without cooking. Right? Children, shall we start our today's class with the topic why do we eat cooked food? Okay. Text reading page number 63. You have learned where the food comes from. Now let's learn about cooked and uncooked food. Mary came home from school in the evening. Her friends Roja, Ravi, and Ramu also came with her. She asked her mother to give something to eat. Her mother asked them to take the snacks they wanted from the kitchen cupboard. Name the snacks Mary might have seen in the cupboard. Which one Mary might have eaten? We can see here some dry fruits and fruits. Okay. Children, we take the food in both the ways, such as raw food or not cooked. Example, carrot, tomato, etc. And cooked or cooked before eating. Example, rice, chicken, etc. Raw food should be cleaned twice to remove pesticide particles. Okay. Raw vegetables should be cleaned before cooking. Right? Along with food, we need water also. We must drink a lot of water. It is important to drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. It helps in the digestion of the food and maintains the body temperature. Good. Text reading page number 63. Last paragraph. Every day we eat different food items like rice, dal, curry, green gram, milk, groundnut, etc. Of these, some are eaten cooked and others are eaten raw. Fill in the table with the food items that you eat cooked or raw. Let's fill up the table. First column, cooked food. Rice, chapati, idli, dosa, vada. Raw food. Carrot, tomato, sweet potato, cucumber, fruits. Either cooked or raw. Carrot, tomato, sweet potato, onion, beetroot. Now, text reading page number 64. We cook and eat certain food items, while some are eaten raw. Think why some food items should be eaten only after cooking them. Food becomes soft and tasty when we cook. Cooked food is easily digestible. A few items of food are not digested without cooking. So, food items should be cooked and eaten. Nutrients are lost if the food items are overcooked. Yes, we cook and eat some food items and some are eaten raw. Why some food items should be eaten only after cooking them? Yes, because it will be hard. So we cannot chew it properly. If we cannot chew properly, it won't be tasty, right? So why should we eat cooked food? Right. food becomes soft and tasty, and cooked food is easily digestible. Okay. Cooking helps to kill germs also. Good. Children, we should cook food before eating, but overcooking or too long cooking may cause a loss of vitamins and nutrients values. Okay. Children, let's move to the next topic. Which utensils are used to cook? Good. Now, I'm going to ask some questions. You have to answer it, right? How do we use it to cook idli? Yes, we use it to cook idli in idli cooker, right? Okay. How do we use it to cook rice? Yes, we use it to cook rice in rice cooker. Then, how do we use it to fry fish? Yes, we use it to fry fish on frying pan. Yes. So children, we need different types of utensils for cooking different types of dishes, right? Text reading, page number 64. We need cooking utensils to cook food in. What cooking utensils are used in your house? Observe the picture given below. Different cooking utensils are hidden in the picture. Fill the dotted vessel with the color you like. Name the utensils seen. Which cooking utensils are seen? Name them. What do we do with them? Observe the picture given below. Name them and tell what do we do with them. Okay. Let's see. What is this? Yes, this is a pot. We use this for storing water. Next one is frying pan. We use this for frying fish, chicken, etc. This is frying pan. This we use for making roti, dosa, etc. This is cooker. For what we'll use? For making curries. This is spatula. When we make a roti or dosa, we will use this. This is skimmer spoon. We use this when we fry papad. Yes, this is serving spoon. This we will use for serving food. Text reading, page number 65. Some of the cooking utensils seen in the above picture would be there in your house also. Write their names in the table. Name of the cooking utensils. Rice cooker used for cooking rice. Then idli cooker using for cooking idli. Frying pan used for making chapati, dosa, etc. Saucepan making tea. Oven used for heating, baking and cooking. Identify cooking utensils given below. Write what items can be cooked using them. Okay. First one is rice cooker. We'll use for cooking rice. Then deep frying pan for cooking curries, frying chicken, fish, etc. Next, oven for heating, baking, cooking, etc. Next one is idli cooker for cooking idli. Text reading, page number 66. Nikhil went into the kitchen. His father was cutting brinjal and putting the cut pieces into a bowl of water. What are you going to make with with brinjal, Dad? Asked Nikhil. Father replied that he was cooking brinjal curry. Nikhil gave tomatoes and green chili to his father. His father asked him to wash the vegetables. Father prepared the curry by adding tomatoes, chilies, and coriander leaves. Think how Nikhil's father made brinjal curry. Children, tell me, how do we cook rice? Yes, we cook rice by boiling. Okay. How do we cook chapati? Right. We cook chapati by roasting. Okay. Then what about idli? Yes, we cook idli by steaming. Good. So all food items are not cooked in the same way. The cooking methods are different for different food items. Okay. Text reading page number 66. All food items are not cooked in the same way. The cooking methods are different for different food items. Observe the food items given below. Find out and tell how are they cooked. The food items like rice and dal are boiled. Snacks like bhaji and samosa are fried in oil. Corn, chapatis, and meat are heated on burning coal. Idlis are cooked on steam. Mango pickle, raita are prepared raw without heating. Different food items are prepared in various methods. Find out how various food items are prepared in your house. With this, we finished our 7th lesson. Shall we meet in the next class with a new lesson? Okay, bye. Take care. Have a colorful day. Thank you.